So, stranded on an island and trying to walk alongside the beach right now in Culebra, Puerto Rico. And just trying to get some more shots, you know, doing what I love. And like I said, you can see behind me, clear, beautiful beaches. There's like so much to explore. I heard there's like snorkeling that you could see some awesome reefs, sea turtles and whatnot. I'm gonna see if I can get my other camera, my Nikon AW300, where it's like waterproof and you can go underwater with it. See if I can capture some cool things. Not sure if I could, but I try to use my drone. I got stopped immediately just because we're like pretty much in the airport zone. So as far as anything that's flying right now, it's a no-go for me. So like I said, I'm just gonna take pictures, do what I love, and experience some of this good beach. So come on, let's go see some pictures. All right, so another day right before we gotta leave. After all this vacation, I really need a drink. And what better drink to go to the Bacardi factory? Definitely gonna take some snapshots, definitely gonna get some awesome footage. I'm hearing the music already, and it's music to my ears, so let's go in and take a look.
Good morning, everybody.